Hi, my name is Upa and I'm the product manager for SSL VPN at SonicWall. Today I'm going to talk to you about SonicWall Virtual Assist. SonicWall Virtual Assist is a new licensable add-on module for the SSL VPN 2000 and 4000 platforms. It's an on-demand, clientless, secure remote support tool. So today I'm going to begin by discussing why we need such a solution. First of all, we all know that remote support can be tedious. Going back and forth on the phone or via chat is rather ad hoc. Secondly, remote support tools can be cumbersome. There are some tools out there today that require pre-installation, which we know is tedious, and then there are other on-demand tools that use thick clients, which are rather time-consuming to download and install. As a result, we present SonicWall Virtual Assist. There are several benefits of SonicWall Virtual Assist. First, SonicWall Virtual Assist increases customer satisfaction. This is due to the quicker time to resolution, and also because it's less cumbersome due to the web-based thin clients. Secondly, it allows for business growth. This is due to reduced costs as a result of reduced phone bills and travel expenses, which in turn increases profit. And also the fact that you spend less time with your current customers, you may be able to spend more time with new customers, hence your business grows. Thirdly, and the most important reason why you should get SonicWall Virtual Assist, is the fact that you can leverage your existing authentication infrastructure. Now what I mean by that is the fact that you can granularly segment your technicians into groups. You may want to do this because you may have technicians that are better with printers and other technicians that are better with things such as email. So if you have these technicians set up in an external authentication server, you may be able to leverage those groups through your SSL VPN users and groups rather than having to recreate them again. So now that hopefully I've convinced you about SonicWall Virtual Assist, let's talk a little bit about how it works. So to give you a gist of how it works, an administrator begins by enabling Virtual Assist on a portal. This gives technicians access, and technicians log into a virtual office and then are able to see a support queue. Meanwhile, the customer goes to a support URL provided ahead of time or receives an email from a technician. Once the customer clicks on this link and is set up, the technician and customer are able to go into a session. So let's take a deeper dive into the administrator role. Virtual Assist uses the concept of portals as we do in Virtual Office. So an administrator would log into the administrative interface and he would need to modify an existing portal or create a new portal. And in this case, he would look at the Homepage tab and enable the Virtual Assist checkbox. In this case, this portal would have Virtual Assist enabled, and then he would proceed to apply this portal to a domain. As a result, all users that are part of this domain will have access to Virtual Assist, and by users here I mean technicians. Now let's take a look at the technician role. Now that Virtual Assist is enabled on a portal, the technician visits that portal, authenticates, and logs into the virtual office. Once the technician's in the virtual office, he clicks on the Virtual Assist button, and this installs a thin client. This launches a support queue, and in the support queue, the technician is able to view a list of clients that are requesting help, or the technician may send an email to a specific client that he or she would like to help. Now let's skip and take a look at the customer role. The customer, meanwhile, visits a support URL which is provided ahead of time by administrator, so it could be something to the effect of support.company.com. Once the customer reaches this URL, he or she may enter his or her name into the username field and request assistance. Alternately, the customer may actually receive an email from a technician. So now the customer simply goes to the email and clicks on the link in the email, and this will again initiate the request process. Once the customer has installed the thin client, the customer's name will appear in the technician support queue. On the flip side, the technician selects the customer's name, and once the customer is selected, he or she will receive a request to grant permission to this technician. Once permission is granted, the technician and the customer will be in session, and they may use the built-in chat and file transfer features in order to use SonicWall Virtual Assist. So it's as simple as that. So now let me tell you a little bit more about the pricing model. SonicWall Virtual Assist is a one-time fee, thus it's very cost-effective. The way this fee works is that it's based on the number of concurrent technicians. On the SSL VPN 2000, you can have a maximum of 4 concurrent technicians, and on the SSL VPN 4000, you can have a maximum of 25 concurrent technicians. And lastly, support is included with the support for the appliance. So I hope this session was informative and useful. There are data sheets on our websites on SonicWall Virtual Assist. In addition to that, we also have webinars that are available for more information. So thank you for your time today.